Welcome back, my Kuhash Show family. And again, as I said last week, I hope I'm welcoming some new subscribers. If I am, thank you for subscribing. And if you want to have a shout out in the next video, hit that subscribe down below. So when I say welcome new subscribers, I'm including you. But hey, let's move on to our video today, which is a Greek salmon. So as you see, we did preheat the oven to 400. And now we are just putting our ingredients into a mixing bowl like so. All the ingredients are in the description below if you so you can see exactly how much I am using. This is a very quick recipe, which is very good in a pinch, because this is only a 2-minute 47-second video. So you can tell it's very easy. I mean, we're probably not even going to have time for music in this video. But hey, as you saw, I didn't really show what I'm putting in. But just look in the ingredients below and you will see what I'm putting in. You see, as we're just going to stir and mix it like so. Very easy, quick meal, like I said. You see, we're just very quick at putting the ingredients. Now you're just going to simply spread it on to the salmon like so. We want to make sure that you cover each piece of salmon. You see, I'm going to split it up first and put it on there. And then I go back and then spread it around the whole entire salmon. Like I said, you want to make sure you cover this entire salmon, so every delicious bite you get is a delicious bit of this Greek salmon. And this is very healthy too, very healthy. I want to mention that. This is a very healthy dinner for all of you who are looking to eat healthy out there. This is one of the healthiest, probably healthiest dinners you can probably make. That's why it's probably broke the internet. So anyway, as you see, we are going to now easily put it in the oven. See, we're already on the oven step. I told you this is a quick video. Cook it 25 minutes, and hey, guess what? We're done with this Kuhash Show video. I know you probably want a little more of me, but hey, go back check some of my other videos, and you can hear a lot more of me and see a lot more of my recipes. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button and go check out some of my other videos. So hey, like I said, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Enjoy, smash nago, and hit that subscribe button and like button, and I will see you next time on Kuhash Joe.